theorem statement. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratios of the square of their corresponding sides. Now, theorem statement once again I'll read. When two triangles are similar, the ratios of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratios of squares of their corresponding side. With the help of statement, we'll draw two triangles. First triangle is triangle ABC. Another triangle is triangle PQR. When these two triangles are similar, the ratios of areas of those triangles. Now let us consider given part. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now let us draw height, that is AD is perpendicular to BC. Over here PS is perpendicular to QR. Now when two triangles are similar, these two triangles are similar, that is ABC is similar to triangle PQR. The ratios of the areas of those two triangles is equal to the ratios of the square. That means to prove part, the ratios of areas of two triangles. Two triangles are triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to sign to the ratios of squares of their corresponding sides. Corresponding sides 1, 2, that is AB upon PQ. Square means square. Next is BC upon QR, square. And third one is AC upon PR, square. This part you will have to prove. Now proof part. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Formula is B1 into H1, B2 into H2. Now base over here is BC. Base is BC, height is AD. Base is QR and height is PS. Let us consider this equation. This as equation 1. Now we'll consider two triangles, that is in triangle ABD, and second triangle is triangle PQS. In triangle ABD and triangle PQS, angle. Now since ABC is similar to PQR, angle B is congruent to angle Q. Angle C is congruent to angle R. So angle B is congruent to angle Q. Angle ADB is congruent to angle PSQ. Reason each 90. Reason over here is given. Therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS by AA test. Now if triangles are similar, we can consider their ratios, that is 1 to AB upon PQ, BD upon QS, and third part is AD upon PS. Let us consider this as equation 2. Now triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, that is given part. Now let us consider ratios of these two triangles 1 2, that is AB upon PQ, 2 3, that is BC upon QR, 1 3, that is AC upon PR. Now this is equation 3. Stop for 1 minute. From 1, 2 and 3, first part was area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PS. Now instead of BC upon QR, you all can substitute AB upon PQ because these two sides are equal. So instead of BC upon QR, substitute AB upon PQ. And similarly, instead of AD upon PS, again you all can substitute AB upon PQ because to prove part we need AB square PQ square. So instead of AD upon PS, substitute AB upon PQ. Now AB into AB is AB square, PQ into PQ is PQ square. That is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Similarly, we can prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, first part तो we know which is equal AB square upon PQ square, next part is BC square upon QR square, and third part is AC square upon PR square. Hence proved.